GibbsCAM, it's not just a product. First of all, GibbsCAM, it's a solution. And we provide a solution to any CNC machine on the machine floor.
We are here today with the leadership of GibbsCAM in India to show GibbsCAM's commitment to your resellers in India and to the market region of India.
I'm having with me Thorsten Straub, the president of GibbsCAM.
So GibbsCAM was founded already 40 years ago. We're now part of a big organization with a great environment. And due to this, we are working now on, let's say, strategies in general and to give partners, customers, and our own people, let's say, more trust, more vision and future.
GibbsCAM is used for complex machining, multitask machining, wherever there is an advanced machining. It can create through a very accurate programming as well as all the machine simulations. The software itself is it's very different than other tools that India has already used. It is very easy to use.
You don't need to make change, features, nothing. Just take one profile from the profiler tool and use this profile any way you want to use.